What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot Basics, and today I'll show you how to connect to a private server, one that you have the IP address for, or of course your own server if you're hosting it on your own computer. I'll start by opening VRising. Then from the main menu, I'll click Play on the left, Online Play, and in the bottom right, click the Find Servers button. Then at the very top, click Display All Servers and Settings, look at the very bottom and click Direct Connect. Inside of here, we can type the IP address, the port, or the server ID. So in my case, 127.0.0.1, and connect to the server that's currently running on my own computer. I'll enter the password and connect to it. Of course, this will be different for you depending on who you're connecting to. If you're connecting to a friend that's hosting the server, assuming they've port forwarded and allowed it through their firewall, all you need to do is get their external IP. The simplest way to do so is to Google "what is my IP" and you'll find it returned to you in Google, if not one of the first few search result links. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.